my life. Said I was doing dumb shit all the time. Cause broken dreams won't pay your bills at all. I heard it was the wrong things I get right. I blame it on the monsters in my mind. With stories from outside these prison walls. Cause even if we're hopeless, we know that this will hurt. Tomorrow is just a word and they can't control. Believers, let's raise a toast. Enjoy the show. Believers, so we complete, yeah, all we need. Believers, let's raise a toast. Enjoy the show. I said I wanna run, but I'm terrified. Headed for the sun, but I'm scared of heights. So you and me go falling through the dark. Told me to be someone that I like, instead of being someone in their eyes. Battle scars make you look like a star. Cause even if we're hopeless and we know that this will hurt, tomorrow is just a word that they can't control. Believers, let's raise a toast. Enjoy the show. Controlling believers, want you to know that believers, they can control it. I want you to know